Don't watch this video. Did that make you want to keep watching? That's reverse psychology, and your brain just fell for it in 3 seconds. Today, I'm going to show you 7 tricks that manipulate human behavior. Use them wisely. Trick 1. The forbidden fruit. Tell someone they can't have something. Watch what happens. In 2010, a nightclub in New York put up a sign, "You probably won't get in." The line doubled overnight. Here's what's happening in your brain. When someone tells you no, your brain screams yes. It's called psychological reactance. Your brain hates losing freedom. So when someone says you can't, your brain treats it like a challenge. This is why kids touch things you tell them not to touch, why people want relationships their parents disapprove of, why limited edition sells more than available now. So, want someone interested? Act slightly unavailable. Don't chase, pull back a little. Their brain will do the rest. Trick 2. The weakness play. Tell people you're not good at something. They'll rush to prove you wrong. A salesman once said, "I'm terrible at explaining this product." His sales went up 40%. Why? Because when you admit weakness, you trigger something called the helper instinct. People want to feel smart. They want to feel useful. When you say, "I can't," they rush in to show you that they can. Plus, it makes you look honest, vulnerable, real, and people trust real. So, before asking for help, say, "This is probably too hard for me." Watch how many people suddenly want to help you figure it out. Trick 3. The "I bet you can't" challenge. Challenge someone's ability. They'll prove you wrong. Parents use this all the time. "I bet you can't eat all your vegetables." Suddenly, the kid's cleaning their plate. Your brain has an ego. When someone doubts you, your ego wakes up. It doesn't matter if the task is pointless. Your brain just wants to win. It wants to prove that person wrong. This is why dares work, why gym buddies push each other, why saying "that's impossible" makes someone try harder. So, want someone motivated? Say, "I don't think you can do it." Their ego will do the heavy lifting. Trick 4. The reverse compliment. Tell someone they're too good for something. They'll want to do it anyway. Example, "You're probably too busy to help me move this weekend." What happens? The person doesn't want to seem selfish or stuck up, so they say, No, I'll help." This works because of social pressure. Nobody wants to look like the person who thinks they're too important, so they volunteer, even when they don't want to. It's sneaky, it's effective, and people rarely notice it. So add "you're probably too" before any request. You're probably too tired. You're probably too busy. Watch them prove you wrong. Trick 5. The fake agreement. Agree with someone's bad excuse. They'll talk themselves out of it. Someone says, "I'll start working out, but I'm too tired after work." You say, "Yeah, you're right. It's probably too hard for you right now." Watch them backtrack. "Wait, no, I could probably find time." This works because people hate admitting defeat. When you agree with their excuse, it suddenly sounds weak, pathetic even. So they argue against their own excuse just to save face. Therapists use this technique all the time. It's called paradoxical intervention. They agree with the problem, the client then argues for the solution. So stop arguing, start agreeing. Let them convince themselves. Trick 6. The takeaway. Offer something, then take it back. They'll want it more. A car dealer says, "This car is perfect for you. Actually, wait, it might be out of your price range." Suddenly, you need that car. This taps into loss aversion. Your brain hates losing things more than it loves gaining things. When something is taken away, even something you didn't care about 5 seconds ago, your brain panics. You want it back. You need to prove you can have it. So when negotiating, pull back occasionally. Actually, maybe this isn't a good fit. Watch them chase harder. Trick 7. The group pressure reverse. Tell someone everyone's doing something. They'll want to stand out. Most people say, "Everyone's buying this." but that makes rebellious people run away. Instead, try, "This isn't for everyone. Most people can't handle it." Now it's exclusive, special, for the few. And rebellious people, they suddenly want in. They want to prove they're not like most people. This works on anyone who values independence, anyone who hates being told what to do, anyone who sees themselves as unique. So frame things as exclusive or difficult. Most people wouldn't understand this. Watch the rebels lean in. Warning, one last thing. These tricks work, but use them wrong and people will hate you. If someone figures out you're manipulating them, you lose their trust forever. Use reverse psychology for good, not evil. Help people make better choices. Don't trap them. See you in the next one.